Hi, I'm Kevin Walters, otherwise known as the Nudge Coach. I understand you put an inquiry out there for a life coach, so I thought I'd just record this video for you and tell you a little bit about myself and hopefully give you some confidence to contact me and see if you want to have some coaching with me, the Nudge Coach. So I'm Kevin Walters. I'm 57 years old. I probably my biggest chunk of my life was done when I started my own international event management agency, which I started way back in 1992, just with a one-line typewriter. There were no computers. I had no experience, no money, I had no clients. I just had a lot of drive and I wanted that passion to get into the event industry, which I did. And I built a very successful event agency over 22 years, which I managed. I then went on to develop and start a training company and a health and safety and consultancy, which I've been doing training and coaching ever since. So I've been really fully coaching now for 3 years and in training probably for nearly 8 or 9 years. But I've always mentored people inside my work, outside of work. I've helped people start their own businesses and help them develop as leaders and help people's careers and help their career development. So I'm really, really passionate about people. That's why I'm very, very fortunate to do something that I love. This really is a vocation for me. So I really am fortunate to love the work that I do. So I help people who have all sorts of issues. Just to explain, coaching really is about looking forward. It's about getting clarity about where we are now, getting clear clarity about where we are now. Maybe there'll be some bars or obstacles, things that you want to discuss. That's fine. But coaching really is about looking to the future, about how we can improve things, how we can aim for better times and a better life. So if you're looking for personal growth, personal development, you're looking to develop your career, maybe you're looking to change careers, maybe you're looking to start a business, or you've got a business and it's not quite going as well as you wanted to do, I can certainly help you there. So people who are stuck in their lives, I have many clients who've got to the top of their particular ladder in life, only to just discover that actually that ladder is propped against the wrong wall. I talk to people about imposter syndrome, about overcoming confidence issues, building self-belief. Some people need help with reinforcing their ability to overcome certain issues in life, so building resilience. So whatever it is, what I tend to do, the whole process is about questioning my clients, to be there for them, to really ask them in-depth questions that are going to make them think, what's it all about? How can I improve the situation? Because somebody can always tell you what to do, but that's kind of giving advice, and that's really what a consultant does. Coaching really is asking you to come up with your answers, and it's amazing where coaching can take you. Normally my clients start with me with 1 or 2 sessions. They then start to find out that what they thought they wanted to be coached about, or what they thought the problem was, is actually much different from their initial thoughts, and we go off into all sorts of different fields. So I'm Kevin Walters, the Nudge Coach. If you want to get in contact with me, you can email me at kevin@nudgecoach.co.uk. That's kevin@nudgecoach.co.uk, or you can call me on my mobile, which is 077 80 70 80 40. That's 077 80 70 80 40. And if you want to look at my website, it's www.nudgecoach.co.uk. Hope to see you on the other side. Thanks very much. Thanks for listening.